In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Forza Horizon 5 to your Steam library. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how to do this. So if you bought it on Steam and if you bought it outside of Steam, for example, Xbox app, a Microsoft Store, etc. So let's try the first one if you bought it on Steam. So go ahead and open up Steam. Just make sure to sign into your account and then go to your library tab here and then simply search where it says search by name, search for Forza Horizon 5. It should already be listed. Then click install to download and play. Now, if it's not on the list, we need to try method 2. So if you bought it outside of Steam, so you can add it as a non-Steam game. So go ahead and open up Steam and then in the top left or bottom left, click games, add a non-Steam game to my library. On the bottom, go ahead and click on add a game. And then from here, we need to go ahead and add a non-Steam game like so. And then it will say add non-Steam game. Now, from here, a list of programs will appear. If you see Forza Horizon 5, tick the box and add selected programs. If it's not listed, go ahead and click on the browse button and then manually find the games.exe file, usually found in program files, Windows apps, but access may be restricted. You may need to take ownership of the folder or create a shortcut to the exe file elsewhere.